Hey, good morning guys. This is Brent with 510 Customs and Performance Auto Care. Today we are tasked with installing a dual channel 4K dash camera on a 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. We install quite a few of these dash cams in customer vehicles, either single channel, which just records the front, or dual channel, which records both the front and rear. Basically gives our customers the ability to record traffic as they're driving and on a day-to-day basis, whether it be to capture incidents before and after an accident, road rage, especially this day and age. There are specific cameras like the one that we're going to install today that also has parking mode. So if you're parked somewhere, it will detect motion or vibration of your vehicle in case someone bumps it or tries to break into it. It can record those events as well. We elected to go with the Viofo A129 Pro Duo, which is a 4K front camera, 1080p rear camera, and dual channel, of course. Along with the kit, we also got, since this camera does support the parking mode, we get the hardwire accessory kit. Of course, a couple fuse taps, and a 128 gig U3 SD card. So for the camera itself, of course, it's the 4K version of this camera. We selected this one mainly due to the fact that this one mounted best against the vertical glass. So as you can see here, here's the front camera, GPS enabled with the sticky mount for the windshield, and importantly the rear camera. But most importantly, the sticky mount, and as you can see how vertical it is when it sticks to the actual back of the glass, the camera itself isn't tilted straight down. It actually has some tilting horizontally, so it can catch footage from the vehicle from behind the actual truck itself. So nice orientation there. And of course all the cabling that is included with this kit as well. This looks like the power cable, the cable that goes in between the two cameras, a couple stickies, USB, card reader, trim tool, which is nice as well. Alright guys, well here is the initial road test with the Viofo A129 Pro dual dash cam setup installed. I didn't get a chance to play with all the settings, so hopefully by default it is recording at 4K. It is daytime, it's about noon, so this is the lighting that you would expect with the sun's right above us. Many different ways to install this, many different locations you can install these types of cameras, but we do like to hardwire them and try to make it as clean as possible, hiding all the wires, not plugged into the cigarette lighter adapters, so those are freed up for your cell phone chargers, etc. Yeah, but once we get these installed, get the settings set up, the GPS speed all enabled, that way you're getting the full complement of information as you're recording and while you're driving. So these are very useful tools. Again, like I said earlier, you probably wouldn't review the footage 99.9% of the time, but that one time that you do need to, it's definitely invaluable. Alright guys, there we have it. That's the overview of the Viofo 4K dual channel dash camera installed on this 3rd gen Toyota Tacoma. Let us know if you have any other projects that you'd like us to assist with. Electronics, suspension, customization, modifications to your vehicle. We'll be able to help you out at 510 Customs. Just a quick overview of what close-up look of what the install looks like. You can see the wires here nicely hidden on the passenger side windshield, and then of course the rear camera wires nicely hidden, capturing the back. Alright guys, thank you very much. Till the next video, we'll see you next time.